Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Golf R. It's a Golf with a pinch of racing mixed in for good measure. Tasty. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: voice-activated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, DVD player, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio digital sound processing, audio in-dash CD, 4-disc, audio headphones, rear. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.